Hello dear friends, so welcome back to this computer and engineering drawing subject. So this is what a problem number 5. So problem number 5, so just you observe. So you need to draw top, front and left views of a square pyramid of a base side 30 mm, okay, and height 65 mm. So resting on one of its slant edge. Resting on one of its slant edges on HP such that the two triangular faces containing that slant edge on which it rests are equally inclined to HP. So apex of the pyramid lies on the left side. Okay? Apex of the pyramid lies on the left side. So if you consider, sorry, just go for the position. So now this is what a pentagonal, sorry, so square pyramid. So resting on one of its edge. Okay, so if you look out inside view, so it is going to be look like this. Okay, so let us see how we can solve this one in a solid edge. So first you draw xy line, that is of 0.13 thickness. Now let us construct an square pyramid. So we'll start with direct dimensions 30, 45, 30, 135, 30, 225. So let us close here. Okay. Okay. So it is a pyramid. It has an axis. It has an fx point as well as axis. So now let us join. Now you just project back here. So you please notify x, y, v, p, h, p. Okay. So now height of the pyramid is 65 mm. So now from this point we will just draw one 65 mm line here. Okay, now we will join to these base edges. Okay. Now this is what a top view of, sorry, front view and top view of square pyramid at an initial stage. Okay. So let us mark A, B, C, D. We got O, O1. O is the fixed point, O1 is the base center point. So we can say is O1 as a axis. So now this point is A dash, this point is B dash, sorry, okay, now here it is a dash, so here it is a B dash, and here you got C dash, here you got a D dash. So again you have axis. I can just represent here O1 dash, so here it is out of O dash. So O dash. Now slant edge is here, so let us take a slant edge. D01 is the slant edge, okay, which is going to rest over the HP. So then this triangular surface D01C and DA01 will become equal inclination to HP. What I'll do, I'll go for move command here. So first I will make a copy of this one, and I will move over here. Okay. So you need to measure the angle, so that much angle you need to rotate it. It is around about 108 degree, you need to rotate it. Okay, so now we'll go for rotate. Okay, I will select entire drawing. I will keep this as a base point. How much angle you want to rotate? I want to rotate 108. Okay. Just place over here. So as there is a mixing, I am just going to change its position. So let us first move here. Move, turn off copy, we just move it outside. No, this has to come here, this point has to come here. So now for changing the orientation of these fonts, so rotated, you just select all the points with the control key or shift key, then you go for properties. So then you can just change is 0 degree, somewhere coming here. This is because of the placement of a text box as a larger one, so they have displaced more. Okay. Now this is about orientation. So now let us drop down all the construction lines 0.13 from front view to top view. Now similarly here from top view you just project. Now identify the marks and trim out unwanted portion. Let us keep these as it is. Now you just identify the points here. Okay. Now this point is B dash. Okay. This point is A dash. This point is D dash, and this point is C dash. Let us draw the base first here. 0.5 mm thickness, or you can go for 0.7. As you're looking from top here, as you're looking from top, so now base is clearly visible. So let us draw another visible edges here. That is what CO and AO. Slant edge is visible, and one more slant edge is clearly visible is OB. Okay. Let us mark points O. So here it is what A. So here it is what a B. So sorry, A. Okay. So here we got a D here, okay, because the slant edge is OD. Okay. D. So here you got a point C, and here you got a point B. Right. So you add axis 1. You add one more thing, that is what axis. Next, to draw the side view, you just drop one vertical line here, mark it as x1 y1, mark it as x1 y1. So let us go for marking x, y, x1, y1. Now from this intersection point, you draw a line at a 45 degree inclination. Now we extend all the construction lines. Next, to project construction lines from front view. Observe line thickness, change color 0.13, 0.13. Okay. Next, to identify the points here. Identify the intersection points. So now this point is B1. Okay, this point is A1. So this point is C1 and this point is D1. B. So here it is a C. So here it is a D. Here it is a. So let us join here. Now, as you have an slant edges, so we are going to merge with the base edges here. They are going to merge with the base edges. So one more here, the slant edges you are going to get here. Let us mark. This is what A double dash. This one is B double dash. This one is C double dash. So this one is what a D double dash. And here you have a slant edge of X point. That is what O double dash also. So now D dash double dash is hidden because as you want to look from this side, that is exactly behind. This is to be hidden. So now this completes the problem. So as I said, go for visible line size 0.5 or 0.5